Hi, so today I'll be showing you how to clean and season your NPCC Beret. The first thing you do after training is to take off your beret crest. You should never try to season your beret with your beret crest on. Then, open up your beret on the inside and take a damp towel and just wipe it to remove any sweat. Make sure you give it sufficient time to dry after wiping it. Now, we need to get the beret into the proper position for seasoning. Start off by locating the two holes where the beret crest should go. This is usually backed by a piece of cardboard. Please note the difference between these holes and the holes used for airing your head. So this piece of cardboard here should go on the extreme right, so make a fold somewhere over here. Pulling the beret out like this, press it down against the table and fold it over. By playing around with the folds in the beret, you should be able to get it into a semicircle-like shape. On the back as well. Hold your beret as you have positioned it earlier and start by placing books on top of it. You can use any books you like, as long as you're not using them currently. Try to centralize the beret in the middle of this pile, so that it doesn't fall over. After you have seasoned your beret for a while, you may want to make it crisper with the following method. Note that this is not compulsory and you should only do it after your beret has been well seasoned. Take a damp towel, one that has been wet but then wrung out to be as dry as possible, and cover your beret on an ironing board. Your beret should be as flat as possible. Take an iron on low heat and go over your beret, very lightly. Make sure that you're only doing this if you're very confident of what you're doing. The purpose of this is to get the creases very crisp and sharp. Periodically, make sure you take off the towel to check on the beret. You must do it on the other side as well, just to remove any iron lines that may have been caused by uneven heating. Never iron the beret directly. As you can see, one side of my beret folds over more than the other, so I get a nicer fold when wearing it. However, this means that when I iron my beret, it creates an ugly line over here. To remove it, I simply cover just this portion and iron out the line. So that's how you iron your beret. Now I'll move on to how to wear your beret. Now I'll be showing you how to put on your beret properly. First of all, find the flap that's on the same side as the beret crest and hold it together with the main body of the beret. Then you can pull out the other side. So holding these two parts of the beret, place it over your head, sweeping up your fringe. Make sure that all your hair is tucked in behind the front of the beret. Now, using your left hand, position your beret crest over your left eye. You may want to slope it down a little bit and make sure that the front is perfectly straight. On the back, make sure to tuck in your beret tail. I've cut mine a little bit short. Make sure that the line of your beret is always straight.